Hello everyone. Today, I have an amazing story for you. It's not just for your listening practice but also to inspire you. The story is called I Love My Job, and it will show you that hard work and determination can change lives.
My name is Kate. I live in small apartment and I work in bookstore. My routine is the same every day. I woke up at the same time every day.
I stretch and check my phone. Then I drink coffee and have breakfast. I walk to work. I listen to music or a podcast on the way. Sometimes I dance a little at the traffic light, only when no one is looking. I open the bookstore at 9 in the morning. It's quiet in the morning. I organize book and dust the shelves. I help the customers find everything. I also work at the cash register. I see people buying strange books sometimes. One man buys 5 books about frogs, another woman buys a dictionary and 3 comic books. I love watching people choose books. Books says a lot about a person. My best friend Emma visit me at lunch. We eat together in the break room. She looks at me and says, "You know, Kate, you are too into your book. You need to talk to real people more." I laugh. Books are easier than people, I say. She rolls her eyes. "You need to go on a date." I don't answer. I just sip my tea and smile. After lunch, a man enters the bookstore. He says, "Hi, I am here for the job interview." Job interview? I don't know about any interview. He smiles. I saw the sign on the door. I look. There is a big yellow paper. Help wanted. Funny. Kind. Loves books. I did not put there. I check the security camera. At lunch my friend Emma stuck a piece of paper on the door when she left. I can't stop laughing. The man looks confused. I say, "Well, since you are here, do you like frogs and comic books?" He laughs. I love both. We chat for a long time. He is smart, kind, and loves books. Maybe I don't need a new employee, but maybe I just met a new friend.